the mucusade.
Got any hints?
No, I'm afraid not. However, if you search within yourself, then you...
Cut it out, okay? I asked for a hint, not the crazy philosophies of a Father Christmas look-alike.
Heed my words, bold adventurer, and your path will lead to wisdom and in...
There's just no reasoning with him. Hi.
Hello.
You're old Krusty's granddaughter, right?
I'm Alex. Grampy's told me so much about you.
Did he tell you I was a grocer with a particular interest in melons?
He didn't tell me you were so rude.
I'm only just getting warmed up.
Oh, leave me alone.
Oi, you!
Who, me?
Ah, you!
What?
You can't hang around here, mate.
Why not?
This is the royal castle, you know.
So?
Hanging around here is prohibited, okay? That means you don't do it, right? So beat it if you know what's good for you.
But I really need to get into the castle.
Well, well, well. He really needs to get into the castle. We'd better let him in, then. If he has the proper identification.
What sort of identification?
Well, $24 should cover it. Plus expenses, obviously. Let me see. Armor polish, sunscreen,